I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air. If you feeling so late and don't care, shorty beat in the face in the mirror, up in the air. I want you to jump, 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 up in the air.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is something a little bit different, isn't it? I am jumping on the bandwagon of the tag going around, which is me trying another YouTuber's tutorials. Of course, it's the wonderful Jeffree Star, someone I think is just fabulous. And today I'm going to copy his how to get a sugar daddy makeup tutorial, which is this look. I will leave links to all products listed down below as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start. So cool. He's such a diva. I feel like I'm in a rave. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
Jeffree.
Today we are diving into this glamorous, glowy, peachy, smoky eye look.
Okay, so we're starting off with a primer. I don't have the primer Jeffree's using, but I do have one, I think it's quite similar, by the Estee edit. It's a Radiance Activator, and Jeffree has applied it on his fingers. Ooh, and just rubbing it in.
For my face. For foundation, today I'm going to be going in with something I haven't really used on camera.
Okay. I don't normally wear primer. In my head it like clogs skin and it's just an extra layer of stuff to be putting on. But if Jeffree's doing it, I'm gonna do it.
Camera before. It is from the brand Radiance, and this is the...
Okay, so he applies it with a damp beauty blender. I have some of the new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, so I'm going to try these. I also don't ever use a beauty blender. I've never got to grips with them, but I've dug this one out. I've dampened it like Jeffree has, and I'm going to go ahead. Wait. How is he doing that? Okay, so he kind of gets some of the foundation, pats it all over, and then works it in. It's just so much more effort than a brush, but the effect is a lot more natural actually. Might be converted here, might be converted. Okay, I think that is foundation done.
Alright, now for concealer today, I'm going to be going in with the new Nars Soft Matte
Nars, my Radiant Creamy Concealer from Nars, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. And he's using it with a beauty blender as well. I think I need that concealer, it looks really good. Okay. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is so much more coverage than I normally get. Oh my goodness, maybe I need to use a beauty blender more. Oh no, the doorbell. It's quite hard to follow actually because he speeds so much up. Yeah, I keep having to stop and start. Okay, he's using a white powder with the beauty blender again.
Almost like an upside down triangle type of motion.
Closest I have to what he's using is this from Burr Minerals. It's a translucent powder duo. I hope this gives the same effect. So I'm taking the same beauty blender in a triangle. This is already so much more makeup than I normally wear on a daily basis.
And I'm going to go in with my favorite setting powder of all time.
La Mer powder. God, that's expensive that. I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. And he's doing it with a beauty blender again. Blimey. This is what they call baking, eh? Oh my god, it's like I can see every line on my face. God, his skin must be perfect. Like, this is setting into every wrinkle that I have. Oh my goodness. Okay. I mean, my makeup's definitely not coming off at any point soon. My skin looks great though. I'm impressed. And then he's using a brush to blend everything in. This I can do.
So today I'm going to be going to brand
I have this bronzer. I'm so excited. It's a little bit different than one I have, but it's practically exactly the same thing. How big is this bronzer? It's bigger than my face. Woo! I'm so happy I actually have one product that he has in his makeup collection. I'm going to use a Spectrum brush to apply this.
Alright, I just bronzed up my entire face. We hit the cheeks, forehead, jawline, and nose.
Okay, okay. I got this, I got this. So he's kind of contoured his nose with this as well, so I'm going to try and do that, I think. Oh no! I wasn't looking at what I was doing, and now I've got really, really red cheek. Here's my bronzed face. I don't think I've ever worn this much bronzer in my life.
To do some highlight right now.
Highlight! This is the bit I was looking forward to.
Is Peach Goddess.
He's using his own highlighters.
A 23 brush, and we're
Similar
going
brush.
To go into Peach Goddess.
I am going to use Becca's Champagne Pop. This was all the rage a couple of years ago. I like a nice peachy highlighter. So he's taking a brush like this. Okay. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I am shimmering champagne.
I'm gonna take out Eclipse and use a Morphe 510 brush.
Another
and we're just
highlighter.
gonna gently...
I'm gonna use the Tanya Burr Champagne Sorbet as my second. Okay, that's quite similar to the first actually. That is a good dupe for Champagne Pop. FYI, just found a dupe. His second one is a little bit more like white, so I'm going to use my Urban Decay highlighter because I feel like it's a better colour match. Oh yeah, look at that. This is my favourite highlighter ever. It also looks like he's done it here and on his nose as well, here.
Alright, now you guys have seen me do my brows.
But he didn't show that. He's highlighting my moustache.
My brow and
okay, he's doing his brows. I need to do my brows because they're a bit of a mess. Obviously, I can't copy his brows because they are shaved off by the looks of it and he's drawn them on. But I'm going to use the same brow pencil that he's using. He's using Benefits Precisely in my brow. I'm going to use Goof Proof brow pencil and I'm just going to fill them in. My brows are so dark right now. But once the whole look is together, I'm sure it will look fine. Okay, ivory shade all over the lid. The eyeshadow I am using for my ivory, oh my god, I look like a clown, is from the Primark, the Nudes palette. How gorgeous is this?
Beauty Killer palette, but it's a little more...
Why don't I look like him?
A little more intense. Now this eye look is really simple. It looks...
I think I need to invest in some Jeffree Star makeup. I don't have any. I've never worn orange eyeshadow before. The closest I could find is in a really old Sleek palette and it's not as vibrant as I would like. But I'm going to be using a blusher from Illamasqua because it's the closest thing to orange I have.
That is like a little placeholder for where I am going to stop. So we're going to start there and now I'm going to start going
oh my god, that
my
eyeshadow is so
crease.
pigmented.
We're going to go all the way in like this and you're going to stop it right outside of the eye. And now you're going to fill it in and do the same on the other side.
I can't say I've ever worn orange eyeshadow before, but I'm gonna make it work. How does he make it look so easy? I have eczema on this eyelid, so it looks like a crocodile. I literally look like I've got a scaly eyelid. I feel so fabulous already.
I'm just packing on charm.
Okay, and he's
all
magically like blended his eye out as well. Okay.
Feathered it out. Barely
feathered it out.
On the
he goes quite far in, like a square around the eye. Okay,
Take
next.
a tiny little MAC detailer brush. This is the Choo Choo one, and we are going to dip into shade Dominatrix. This beautiful.
Okay, so now we're taking a darker shade.
I'm gonna tilt my head up a little bit, so we're just gonna massage this into the crease.
I'm gonna take a colour from my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, probably the shade Infugo. This one here looks more similar.
Alright, now this eye look is almost
You're
done.
going too quick!
Smoke out
I'm quite happy with that.
the under, but before I do that, I'm just going to go back into Eclipse really quickly.
Okay, highlight under the brow bone. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm really feeling it.
Liners, this is Smolder.
Black eyeliner. Oh, that's interesting. He's using his beauty blender to hold his eye open. Let me try that. Oh my god. Why is my hand shaking? Oh. What is this? I really hope this comes together.
I'm going to go back in with Charm. We're literally just going to place this right below the waterline and just drag it out. And sometimes I like to tilt my head so there's no fallout.
Okay.
Literally just gonna brush right below where I put.
My black is melting underneath my lash line. And his isn't doing that. And now I've got eyeshadow in my eye. Oh, I've done it. I'm putting too much on. This is hard.
Hi there. Now it is time for mascara. So of course, y'all.
I don't have roller lash, but I do have the new Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Why don't I do a little review of this right now? I really like it. But what I don't like is that it transfers onto my eyelid. It like transfers and smudges, which I don't like. But apart from that, it's a great mascara. Yeah, I have no words. This mascara has really great effects with just one coat. So well done, Benefit. I will try it out and see how it goes throughout the day and if it does transfer anymore. Maybe I was just having a bad week when I first tried it. Does he do his bottom lashes? Yeah, okay. Mascara done.
Alright, now I'm gonna quickly pop on some lashes, and today I'm gonna go in with the Lily Lashes and Peachy, and I'm here, bitch. So I'll be...
Okay, lashes on. How blue do my eyes look? Also, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Lips. Today I'm gonna be going in with the Marc Jacobs Liquid Lip Cream.
Liquid lipstick in a nude colour. I'm probably gonna use this one. Yeah, I think this is most similar. This is the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Kimberly. Wow, this is like almost an exact dupe for the one Jeffree's using. I'm gonna add a little bit of Dirty Peach as well, because I think Jeffree's one has a tiny bit of peach in it. Yeah, that's better.
Alright, lips are on. Ooh, I love this color combo right.
I'm gonna buff because Jeffree's buffing. I don't know what I'm buffing, but I'm buffing. Also gonna add some more highlight to finish off the look. Jeffree's gone and put on a pink wig. So I'm gonna go and put on a pink wig. I'm so bad at accents. But look at this hair, bitch.
Look at this hair, bitch.
So this is the end result. I am really happy with it, actually. I think it really makes my eyes pop. I would definitely like to try more of Jeffree's tutorials soon because it's kind of pushing my boundaries. It's a look that I've never worn, but I'm feeling glam. I'd love it if you guys could subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if there are any other YouTubers you would like me to copy their tutorials. That would be fab. Look at me getting into character. Lots of love, and I'll see you next week. Mwah.